In Saluda County this morning, crews still out there trying to secure some areas due to some major flooding. The biggest issue right now is Highway 1 at 23 near the train trestle. Mayor Lancer Schul has been up all night long posting updates on his social media page. He's really trying to let people understand the severity of this flood and the damage it's causing to the area. The mayor says that the damage appears to be worse than that historic 2015 flood in Batesburg. Now, this is a photograph from weather.gov that shows what Mayor Schul is talking about. It's a car not far from Saluda County in Columbia, South Carolina, that was literally pushed by those floodwaters right up a tree. Now, in October of 2015, over a 5-day period, some areas experienced more than 20 inches of rain, many locations seeing about 2 inches per hour.